You don't have a productivity problem. I know that might sound crazy, if you feel behind, if you feel like you're working endless hours, don't be distracted by your to-do list, right? Productivity is not your problem. It's the visibility around what's actually going on in your organization. Here's what I mean. Can you tell me right now how long it takes you to deliver your standard project from start to finish? Probably, right? You can either guess or maybe you actually know your metrics on that, sure. But can you tell me which step in your delivery process takes the longest? Can you tell me where the work stalls consistently, where handoffs break, right? This is not the productivity problem. This is that visibility of what the actual mechanisms are of your business. The productivity industry is a $30 billion market built on selling you tools to reinforce habits and routines. It's great, right? We all want better planners, better apps, a solid morning routine. But none of that will work if you're optimizing the wrong thing. It's like rearranging deck chairs when a ship has a hole in it, right? You can't see the hole in your ship because you've never looked below the waterline. And so process intelligence is all about the alternative way of saying, instead of doing more faster, it's seeing more clearly. Take the time to map your processes rigorously, measure the cycle time, find the bottlenecks, fix the constraints, right? That will allow you to be more productive. It might not be the sexy, shiny work, but it's motivational and should give you the proper platform and foundation to implement AI. Because your business is an engineered system, whether you've treated it like that or not. When I was working in biomedical engineering, we would never optimize a device without understanding its current state first, right? You wouldn't prescribe a medication without a diagnosis. So why would you prescribe solutions for your business without taking the time to diagnose the problem first, right? And so that's the shift, right? From being focused on productivity to focusing on process intelligence, which tells you where your productivity and efficiency is leaking and where efforts should be focused once you have that baseline effort of the process intelligence itself. And so I have a number of resources and offerings along this line because I'm fascinated by this stuff. I've seen how well it works and how easy and how low the barrier can be. This is not something where you have to hire an expensive consultant or a fancy software. So you can check the link in the description or subscribe for more process improvement that doesn't actually insult your intelligence. And